Hello everybody, this is not a crypto expert chiming in with another video, and in today's video I wanted to go over an announcement that was made by IBM at CES, and instead of me reading the article, I am going to play a video directly from IBM. But before I get into the topic for today, I would like that you please consider giving me a like, giving me a heart, giving me a thumbs up, giving me a follow. I'm not going to ask that you share because it seems invasive. I talk about blockchain and cryptocurrency, and I try to keep it entertaining with the beat behind it. So with that being said, on to the subject for today, which was an announcement made at CES, which is the Consumer Electronics Show. And instead of me reading the article, the good folks at IBM actually have a video that describes Farmer Connect, which is what this announcement was for.
I think it all starts from the smell. Opening up a bag of coffee and getting that first whiff. You're intrigued, you want to understand it, and once you start on that journey, you can travel the world through your cup of coffee.
Coffee is in my blood. I'm the 5th generation in my family who is a coffee farmer. My grandfather always told me that coffee is not only a business, it's a social activity. We have hundreds of people that depend on us.
For me, the future of coffee is traceability. Traceability means having the visibility to know, was this coffee sourced in a responsible and sustainable way? In many producing countries, the price of coffee today is below their cost of production. And I think as consumers, we want farmers to be taking care of the environment. But if they don't have economic viability, it's impossible to ask them to do those things.
Our work here is sustainable. Our farm is sustainable. But I don't know if our work is really seen around the world. With blockchain, our consumers can see that we are sustainable.
We're able to take data from the blockchain and show the consumer the journey that their coffee has taken, and they're actually able to make a contribution to the farmer or to the farmers' communities. Farmer Connect is an industry-driven initiative that's using technology like digital identity and blockchain to drive digital connectivity from the farm to the consumer.
The coffee industry is a very complex ecosystem. You have the farmers, you have processors, you have exporters, importers, roasters, and then the consumers. Farmer Connect connects all the players with the right information in every step of the value chain.
When I was trying to pick a technology partner, I wanted somebody who was truly committed to blockchain. IBM Food Trust was one of the inspirations for the work that they were doing with supermarkets and being able to have instant recalls. Food Trust had already been proven, so it accelerated the speed at which we could get to a production blockchain. At the same time, knowing that we have IBM behind us, the support of the predominant company in blockchain allows us to engage consumers in a more meaningful way, and they know that their data truly is going to be secure.
The world is changing. The only way we can continue is by getting the support of the industry.
We have a unique opportunity to provide to the consumer a new, enriching experience, which is going to grow the entire coffee market and benefit everybody. That's where the real power of blockchain becomes unlocked.
So having sustainability as well as traceability are huge for not only consumers, but also the producer of goods. And to be able to track that, where your product came from on a mobile device, and the product comes from possibly halfway across the world, is great. Now, what makes this app even better in my eyes and some of the other ones that I've covered is the ability to either give a tip or help fund a particular farmer or the community where a farmer is coming from. So IBM is leading the charge when it comes to blockchain. I've applauded them multiple times on my channel. I will continue to applaud them in their effort to get us all in a blockchain-based world. So with that being said, folks, I hope that you're having a great morning, a great afternoon, and an even better evening.